if pumpkins are one of the things that determine whether or not you are doing a fall decor, then we find some pumpkin at Jamaica. We find some pumpkin. And I don't know what we're going on Saturday soon. Alright, so come see what this is about. Let's go decorate. This is the Decor and Lifestyle Center. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Charlene, and on this side of YouTube we do videos on decor, DIY, and of course my lifestyle. But this video today is a fall fabulous tablescape. If you're interested in that kind of content, then continue watching. When you just love to decorate and you can't help yourself, you just find everything and fling them together. That's how I happen with this tablescape. Yeah. So it started out with a very cheap haul with the stuff that I got from Pink. Shout out to Renee who put me on game about the home decor section in Pinks. And let me tell you something. Strike hole inside the so. Yeah man, so we find the pumpkin them right there. We find the pumpkin them. And we start for the tables. Yep. So of course I started doing it. And then after I put on the tablecloths, the 2 tablecloths that I paid $600 a piece for. So, well, man, how this looks so? This started putting on the flowers there, man. I said, no, man, this needs a base. This needs something for grounded. And then I was like, girl, you were supposed to go over your neighbor, go cut off some of the Christmas tree branches and use that as your foundation. So, you know, so I have to take off everything. And decide we're going to start again. And it's at that point now, I say, yes, my table start to look like how I want it to look. Start to look festive when we start to lay on the Christmas branches. And of course, I add the floral picks to it and thing. And yeah, man, that did really look nice. Bust out the pumpkin them. Yeah man, we start to put out the pumpkin. We even had to spray paint 2 of them gold. And we put them, start to layer those in. I say, yes, this is coming together nicely. I'm seeing the fall vibes now. I say, alright. And then now, hold on them, man. The charger plate them. So you see all the color just earthy and nice. And then it kind of give a little rustic vibe too. For go with the browns, the deep browns and the light browns that I'm using for this table. I'm going to say, yeah, come on, girl. Come on. This ready. And you know how much pay for them charger plate? $300 each. You don't tell me, no. That not cheap. $300 that. So when it come time now for put on the breakfast plates. So adding the breakfast, I say, wow. The brown trim on the plates, tying in with the charger, tying in with the center runners. I say, yeah, hold on, man. This well coordinated and in a really good way. After we finish that now and things say we're good, you know. When we start to put the centerpiece now together. You notice me I flip between the brown vase and the white one with the gold trim, and I say, which one am I going to work with now? But the vase with the holes in there, I think, because of the color, and then it kind of have a little glam look to it, and it also have a little rustic feel. So me I merge both together with this vase, and I say, come on, girl. The fall table shot, it just looks so fabulous. I love to decorate though, you know. I not like to, I love to decorate. I love to decorate. I like how I feel before I start, and I like how I feel when I'm done. That worked for me. What is it that you like? which skill you have that you really like, that you get a high before you start, and you get a high when you step back and look at your work. Which skill you have that does that here? Tap into that. Alright? Decor stylers, I am so loving this tablescape. Love it. The colors turned out fabulously. The only challenge that I had is that because I'm using a dresser table, it's a little bit narrow. So because of that, like I couldn't put out the saucer under the cup, that sort of thing, you know, because I was really feeling myself about the centerpiece and the runner, you know. So those things, you know, it took up a little space, but then you can see why, because it's absolutely gorgeous in my estimation. And I hope that you share these very same sentiments. Guys, if you have found, you know me always say the value in this video, I'm just inspiring you just to, you know, use what you have. If, like I said, go out and purchase if you need to purchase a few items. But for the most part here, guys, these things came from my home. And I was inspired by the little cheap pumpkins that I got in pigs. And I was inspired to create this tablescape. Now guys, I'll see you next week. And until then, walk good and take care. Bye-bye.